Whew, hey everybody, gotta get down low. Yeah, it's finally time to hook this up. I got a little doodad here, ball joint assembly. By the way, you've reached 1030 S Bill with me, Scott. Comes with a regular nut and a little compression washer, but I got some of these that Minimax USA sent me, little 1032s. Lock nut, I'm gonna use that instead. Let me grab some. Now, I don't have this positioned inside yet, remember I told you. Or this tight. All right, now this screws on here. Whenever I put something on that has a dead stop or whatever, I'll put it all the way on, then I'll back it off halfway. You know, it gives you adjustment halfway either way, right? All right. I'm gonna hook that to that. See where it falls. That tight yet. There's a little nut back here. I don't have it tight yet. All right. Now I need to go inside and look at see where the flap sits at. Let's go look. You still got this part to put on. It goes on the side bulkhead there for that Flaperon rod. Here I am. All right. So. All right. The movement, I lost my washer. Movement of this cable is very short to travel, and it is only about 4 inches. So it gives you 2 inches either way. I got it in the center. I got my adjustment centered out too. So I'm going to mark where this piece goes. All right, so now I gotta get a 3/16 drill. I'm gonna try to get out of here without killing myself. Right there. These are tight. Whew. Got it. All right, here we go. Way down here. Just under the wing. This one here. Let me take the glove out so I can feel. All right, put that back on. And I get a little bit of polyurethane there. I'm not going to worry about it since I got bolts. I'm glad this is over here. You know, I got that muffler system on this right-hand side. So I got the fire extinguisher over here, a foothold over here, the Flaperon over here. Trying to, you know, balance the center line weight out more. Okay. Like that. All right. All right, Flaperon is on. Let's put it up here to the intermediate position right there. Now if I push down on it some, it'll give me a little bit of up flap. If I pull up on it, it'll give me a little bit of down flap, just like I want. Not much. There's not a lot of play either way. All right. Put it on here. Put this about middle way. All right. And then put this right on there. Like so. Oh. All right. And then I need to tighten this little booger up here. Don't really need to do it too much. I don't have any of these nuts and bolts tight. I got them so I can take them out and put the fabric on. Take everything back off. Take everything back apart. All right, so this spot right here, I need to come down some. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of tilting up quite a bit. Don't have much room here. Take what I can get though. Got a little bit. Had to take some more off the inside, I guess. Getting flatter. I like to save the adjustment on this for the very fine adjustment at the end, not for rough adjustment. So I'm going to take a little bit off. I don't know, it might be moved a little bit. I'm not all the way down over there, am I? There we go. Yeah, they both got to go down a little bit. Okay. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's hooked up and operational. Now I'm going to look it over real good and start taking it apart to cover it. Still got to bolt on the racing the harness seatbelt. Got a bolt hole right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what you see is a final structural construction of the plane. I put together everything that needs to be put together. One thing I got is a little trim piece to put over top the in between the turtle deck and the horizontal stabilizer, a little piece of brake metal or something. I wasn't going to mess with that, but I think I'll go ahead and start taking it apart and we'll start covering this thing with fabric. I take some real fine sandpaper and go over it here and there where you feel little snags and stuff. They got buried in the poly or got overlooked or dirt that fell in it or bugs or whatever, so the fabric's pretty slick on there. But the wings are on, all the controls are hooked up, and they're pretty well adjusted. They are in range of adjustment, so when I put it back together, I still gotta do some adjustment, but I know everything's in range. And gotta take the motor off of the fuselage still, and everything, you know, everything I can off the fuselage, make it easier to cover. It'll get a better wrap if I take off the landing gear and all the cables and all that stuff. But I got everything figured up, quick disconnect and everything. But thanks for hanging along this long. It's been 1 year and 1 month it's taken me, and pretty proud of it. It came out pretty good. Not perfect, but nothing is. But it's built to, I would say, the quality specifications and standards that most submarines are built to. Let's put it that way. It's pretty tight. But anyway, we had a beautiful day here. I just got off work and put in a long day, and the sun is going down over yonder. And I'll show you what it looks like in a minute, but it's a beautiful day here. Hope y'all had a beautiful day. God blesses me all the time. Hope he blesses you. See you later.